for Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never.
So next we are going to solve the second question, which says that for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. So this is the first sub question of question number 2, and there are equations given to us, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 7 and a minus bx plus a plus by equals to 3a plus b minus 2. So these are the two equations that we have. Now first of all, I'll just write it in the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So I'll make it as 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0, and the second equation will be a minus bx plus a plus by minus 3a, because this comes to the LHS, minus b and plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so after this I'll just compare it. So comparing with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, so I'll get a1 equals to, when I compare this equation, I'll get a1 equals to 2, b1 equals to 3 and c1 equals to minus 7. When I compare the second equation, I'll get a2 is equal to a minus b, I'll get b2 equals to a plus b, and my c2 will be this entire equation, that is minus 3a minus b and plus 2. Okay, so I have this now. Now for infinite number of solutions, we know that the ratios should be equal, that is a1 upon a2 should be equal to b1 upon b2 and should be equal to c1 upon c2. So I need to apply this condition here. Okay, so let us start. So a1 upon a2 will be 2 upon a minus b, also b1 upon b2 will be 3 upon a plus b, and c1 upon c2 will be minus 7 upon minus 3a minus b plus 2. So let's apply this now. I'll just compare this first two ratios here. When I compare this first two ratios, I'll cross multiply this, so it will be 2 times a plus b equals to 3 times a minus b. This was my comparison of these first two equations. When I compare the second two equations, that is this 3 upon a plus b and minus 7 upon minus 3a minus b plus 2, I'll get 3 times minus 3a minus b plus 2 equals to minus 7 times a plus b. So it will be 2a plus 2b equals to 3a minus 3b, and here it will be minus 9a minus 3b plus 6 equals to, this is minus 7 goes inside minus 7a, minus 7 goes inside minus 7 of b. Now here I can take all the a terms. Yeah, I can just take all the LHS to the RHS. So 0 equals to 3a minus 2a will give me a, minus 3b and minus 2b will give me minus 5b. This is my equation number 1. I'll call this as my equation number 1. In this case, I can just again take this entire LHS to the RHS, so it will be 0 equals to, or I can just keep it as 6 here. Okay, I'll just keep 6 over here. Okay, and all the other things to the RHS. So I'll get minus 7a and plus 9a will give me 2a, minus 7b plus 3b will give me minus 4b, and this is my equation number 2. I have two linear equations and I need to find a and b here. So which is same like solving the equations by, you can solve it by elimination, you can solve it by substitution, cross multiplication, any method. Here they have not specified. Okay, they have not specified by which way you need to find, by which method you need to find. I can just use here substitution method, I feel like using. So yeah, let's get the value of a from the first equation, which will be 5 times b, and then I'll substitute this in this equation. So it will be 6 equals to 2 times the value of a, that is 5b minus 4b. So 6 equals to, this is 10b minus 4b, and 6 equals to, again this will be 6b. So 6 cancel, you get the value of b as 1. So you got the value of b as 1. We'll substitute back in this equation. So if the value of b is 1, so 5 into 1 is 5, and the final answer is a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. That was pretty simple. Okay, so that's how you solve this question. So now we'll start with the second sub question, which says that for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution. So two equations are given to us, that is 3x plus y equals to 1, 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y equals to 2k plus 1. They are asking us the value of k, so we'll just rewrite the equation. So 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, and 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y minus of 2k minus 1 equals to 0. Now just compare it with, comparing with the standard form, that is comparing with ax plus by plus equals to 0. You'll get a1 equals to 3, you'll get b1 equals to 1, you'll get c1 equals to minus 1. From this second equation you'll get a2 equals to 2k minus 1, you'll get b2 equals to k minus 1, and you'll get c2 equals to minus 2k minus 1. So once you have a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, you can just find the ratio. Now for no solution, okay, they have given you a condition that it has no solution. For no solution, I'll just write the condition, that is a1 upon a2, it should be equal to b1 upon b2, but should not be equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, this is the condition for no solution. This is the condition for no solution. So we need to follow this condition because it is already given that it doesn't have any solution. So 3 upon 2k minus 1 equals to 1 upon k minus 1, and should not be equal to minus 1 upon minus 2k minus 1. So this will help us in finding the value of k, this first two ratios. Okay, तो क्या हो जाएगा, क्या मिलेगा आपको, देखिए यहाँ पर इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 3k माइनस 3 हो जाएगा इक्वल्स टू 2k माइनस 1, 2k LHS में आके माइनस हो जाएगा, सो k इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3 वहां जाके प्लस हो जाएगा, आपको आंसर मिलेगा 2. So k का वैल्यू आपको मिल गया. The value of k is 2 in this case. Okay, that was really very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's simplify. See you soon in the next video.